How to change Redmi Note 11 display. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make changes in the display. First of all, open settings. Now slowly scroll down until you find the option called display and brightness. So here it is, tap on display and brightness. So this is the settings where you can make changes. Now here you can even change the theme of the whole mobile phone first. So this will bring an upgrade or a change in the display. Here there are different options too. Here you can see automatic brightness and sunlight mode, so you can turn them on too. Here if you scroll down, you'll be able to see screen color scheme, reading mode and refresh rate. So simply tap on refresh rate and here you can keep it to the maximum, so it will make everything more smoother. And if you go back, it's all done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.